Hello, 5th grade class. Welcome to Let's Learn English. Look at the poster. What are the people doing? Yes, they are cleaning the house. In this video, we are going to learn vocabulary about household chores and cleaning items. Part A. We are going to learn vocabulary about items that are used for cleaning. Listen and repeat. Brush, broom, dustpan, bucket, cleaning rag, duster, mop, sponge, trash can, vacuum cleaner. All right, now label the pictures, please. Number 1. Yes, that's a brush. Number 2. Very good, that's a broom. Number 3. Yes, that's pen. 4. Excellent, bucket. 5. Yes, cleaning rag. 6. Very good, duster. 7. All right, mop. 8. Sponge. Good. Number 9. Trash can. Excellent. And number 10? Yes, vacuum cleaner. Very good. Look. They clean the floor. Mop, broom, vacuum cleaner, and a brush. They work together. Dustpan and a broom. Mop and a bucket. They absorb water. Sponge, mop, and cleaning rag. They hold things. Dustpan, bucket, and a trash can. Okay, let's continue with part B, household chores. Chores we do at home. Wash the dishes. Repeat, wash the dishes. Sweep the floor. Repeat, sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Repeat, mop the floor. Vacuum the carpet. Repeat, vacuum the carpet. Dust the furniture. Repeat, dust the furniture. Take out the trash. Repeat, take out the trash. Clean the windows. Repeat, clean the windows. Iron. Repeat, iron. Now it's your turn. Label the pictures. Number 1. All right, wash the dishes. Now, number 2. Very good, mop the floor. 3. Yes, clean the windows. 4. Yes, take out the trash. 5. Excellent, sweep the floor. 6. Very good, vacuum the carpet. 7. Iron, excellent. And the last one. Very good, that's the furniture. Remember, in this video we have reinforced vocabulary about cleaning items and vocabulary about household chores. I suggest you to watch this video as many times as you consider necessary to reinforce this vocabulary. Okay, girls, see you next time. Bye-bye.